guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today I am at Walmart. It is Sunday and I am finally done with all of my Christmas celebrations. We had our last Christmas celebration yesterday with my side of the family at our house, and so we still have a ton of leftovers in the fridge. I'm trying to really keep it simple this week and use up what we have in the house. So my husband works with someone who gets us a quarter of a beef or a half a beef each year, and we're expecting that at the end of January. And so right now I really want to focus on cleaning out my freezer and my deep freeze and using up some of the stuff that we have in there so that I'll have room for the beef when we get that. So I'm going to go into Walmart today and I'll show you what I got when I get home, and I'll also show you the meal plan. But I also wanted to take a second and thank everybody for watching and commenting. I love reading your comments. It just makes my day to even think that I have helped anyone in some like small way, even if it's just like how to wash your lettuce or something like that. I hit 30,000 subscribers this past weekend, so I'm super humbled. I'm excited to see what 2019 will bring. I just want to keep making videos that you all want to see and videos that inspire you to, you know, be an empowered woman or mom or whatever it is that you need in your life. So if you have video requests for the upcoming year, leave those in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you when I get home. Okay, so at Walmart, I spent around $130. It would have been less, but I bought some steaks, so that's probably what drove up the price the most. But for produce, I got some pears. This is on an Ibotta rebate. Last week I posted how Ibotta works, so I'll link that video down below. But if you want to sign up, it's an app. I always have a link in my description box. So they do have produce on there sometimes. They tend to have more processed food, but this was in the produce section, and I think it was only 25 cents off, but whatever. So I got some pears, I got some green onions for a couple different recipes and for salads, one cucumber. Connor and sometimes Kira has been liking cucumber, like sliced up, dipped in ranch, so I got them one of those. Same with the peppers, I got those for salads and to chop up for snacks. Kira wants to make some fruit kebabs, and so I ended up getting some raspberries. This was like the last container that they had, and it was $3, so a little bit pricey, obviously not in season right now. I got some broccoli for a side for dinner this week, zucchini for a side, some cilantro for salads, and then some tomatoes. I just like to have these on hand. If we eat sandwiches, we like to have tomatoes on our sandwiches. And then I got 2 kiwis for the fruit kebabs also. These are pretty hard. I tried to go through and find the most ripe ones I could, but my guess is these aren't going to be too sweet, so we'll see. I also got some sliced mushrooms to go with the steak, and then some garlic stir-in paste. This is what I've been using for probably about the last year in place of chopping and peeling my own garlic. It's just so much easier. You can find this in the produce section. I got some more orange juice, some of these little dressing cups. I like these to take to work with raw veggies for snacks, or you can also use it obviously for salad dressing on the go. I got some shredded cheese for quesadillas, and then Adam is going to sous vide some steaks for New Year's Eve, which is tomorrow. So I got 2 ribeyes. Normally I don't buy a lot of beef at Walmart. It's just not my favorite place to buy it, but I decided I'd try it. So there's 2 in there. It was about $17 for this package, which is a pretty decent price, so let's see how those turn out. I got some turkey lunch meat for sandwiches, and I'm also going to make shrimp cocktail, and I needed some extra cocktail sauce, so I got a jar of that. I got some little bags of the white cheddar Smart Food popcorn for the kids to snack on, and then I got some little Jif to-go cups. They like to have these sometimes like with an apple cut up as a snack. I did not need evaporated milk, but they had a whole clearance section of these for 50 cents a can, and they don't expire for about a year. There is a chicken recipe that I sometimes make that calls for this. and a soup recipe, and so those will just be for the pantry. For the fruit kebabs, it called for grapefruit, and I was not going to buy a whole grapefruit because it's not very sweet and the kids would probably not eat it. So I just got these fruit refreshers. This is the Del Monte brand. I actually got 4 Chobani flips, but Connor already ate one when I got home from the store. He ate the s'mores one, but I got a banana one, coffee brownie one, and then this one is new. It says it's a limited batch. It's the coconut snowball. So got those, and then I got a loaf of bread. This is the bread I always get when I go to Hy-Vee or Walmart. It's just the Sara Lee honey wheat. I grabbed some McCormick Alfredo sauce for some gnocchi for dinner this week. I didn't really need this right now, but this was also an Ibotta rebate for $1 off, just regular vanilla extract, so I'll keep that in the pantry. And then for a recipe, I got just 1 can of chicken broth. I got a 2 liter of diet root beer, A&W root beer for root beer floats. I had not bought this before. This is the Zing Zang margarita mix, and normally this is the Bloody Mary mix that I buy, and I didn't realize that they had margarita mix also, but now Adam has informed me that we're out of tequila, so I guess I can't have margaritas unless I go get more tequila. But anyway, looking forward to trying that. I got the kids some sparkling apple juice for New Year's Eve. I always get them a bottle of that, and they have fun drinking it. And then I got a bottle of just regular champagne. I don't really like to buy champagne at Walmart because they have like either high-end or low-end and nothing really in between. My favorite is to buy the Prosecco at Costco, but Costco's 50 minutes away, and I'm not going there today. So I got some vanilla ice cream for root beer floats, some just regular ranch dressing to keep in the pantry. And then I also got these Great Value seasoned potato wedges. I saw Leanne over on Grady's mom buy these, and I decided to pick up a package. These are pretty tasty, especially if you cook them in the air fryer. And then I got some shaving cream, some K-cups. I like to get the Starbucks kind. We have a Hamilton Beach, I think it's called a Flex Brew coffee maker, and sometimes if I buy off-brand K-cups, they explode in there, and I found that the Starbucks ones don't explode in there, so that's usually what I get. Paper towels, I got some treats for Murphy, and then I just got the kids some necklaces and headbands to wear for New Year's Eve. So that is what I got for groceries at Walmart. Okay, so tonight is Sunday. Here's the meal plan. I don't really have anything planned for dinner tonight. I thought we could just clean out the freezer. I know we have some frozen pizza and different stir fries and things in there that we should probably use. And then tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so we're going to make steak, and I'm going to make some shrimp cocktail. And then I have a recipe, actually, that I've made before for this cheesy cauliflower bake, and I can link it down below. I have a head of cauliflower in the refrigerator that I did not use from last week, and so I wanted to use that up, so I thought we could have that for a side. And then Kira has wanted to cook out of this Shopkins cookbook for a while. I can't remember if she got it last year for Christmas or if she got it for her birthday, but I told her we could make the fruit kebabs, and she also wants to make the better cheddar and chicken quesadillas. So her and Connor can have that for dinner while Adam and I have our steak. Tuesday, I have turkey left over from our Christmas dinner, so I'm just going to make hot turkey sandwiches with mashed potatoes and green beans. And then Wednesday, I'm going to do pot roast because we have some chuck roast in the freezer yet to use up. So I'm just planning on putting some potatoes in with the roast to cook and then make some honey butter carrots. Thursday is when we go back to work, so I'm going to make another crock pot recipe, this pesto ranch chicken. I can link this down below also. I've made this once before. It's pretty good. This says use chicken thighs, but I don't really care for chicken thighs, so I always use chicken breasts, and it turns out fine. And then I have some cauliflower gnocchi from Trader Joe's that I want to try, so I'll make that, and then some broccoli on the side. And then Friday, usually I plan for one day that we can either go out or order pizza. And then Saturday we have a holiday party to go to. So that is it for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.